Yeah, go. Now do the old lady.
Poor child. We're going to committee, man. How long are you? Not a minute too soon. You did a great job. Do you remember me? Do you remember me?
No.
You're my nephew. We played the piano together. We sang songs.
Now give me a one big wheeze again for the finish.
I don't think I have a wheeze.
Hurry, there's only 50
I don't
some
think I have a
seconds.
wheeze left in me.